A major gas explosion happened in West Virginia today. No one was injured or killed in this explosion. It took out 5 houses, and the flames had reached 100 feet high. Um, no indication as to what the cause was. They did cap the pipe, um, but a strange sequence of events since this is the fourth major gas explosion in the United States in the past month. So interesting phenomena, not sure why, but this is raw footage from today, and as you can see, quite a bit of devastation for a pipeline exploding. But again, no one was injured and no one was killed in this incident, at least it's been reported yet.